Welcome to this new video of the Work Wise series. In today's rapidly evolving job market, understanding how to upskill for careers influenced by artificial intelligence is more critical than ever. Whether you're a professional looking to secure your future, a student deciding on a career path, or simply curious about AI, this video will guide you through the foundational steps to begin your upskilling journey in AI. We will explore the applications of AI, the skills you will need, and practical steps to take that can propel you into a future where AI is ubiquitous. Artificial intelligence is much more than just a hot tech trend. It's fundamentally transforming industries across the board. From healthcare, where AI helps doctors diagnose diseases with remarkable speed and accuracy, to finance, where it detects fraudulent transactions in the blink of an eye, AI's impact is profound and widespread. In transportation, AI drives the development of self-driving cars by companies like Tesla and Waymo, enhancing road safety and efficiency. In the entertainment sector, services like Netflix and Spotify use AI to tailor recommendations to your personal tastes, enhancing your viewing and listening experiences. Therefore, upskilling in AI is not just about keeping pace with technological advancements, it's about ensuring your career remains viable and thriving in the future. Understanding AI opens up a plethora of opportunities, not only increasing your job security but also enhancing your job satisfaction by enabling you to innovate and improve processes within your field. For instance, marketers use AI to predict consumer behavior and fine-tune their strategies for better results, while project managers utilize AI tools to streamline project timelines and improve decision-making. These applications show how AI makes you an invaluable asset in any professional setting, ready to lead and innovate. Embracing AI means preparing yourself to take advantage of new opportunities and challenges, ensuring you stay relevant and successful in an ever-evolving digital landscape. This isn't just an educational pursuit, it's a transformational journey that equips you to excel and advance in your career. Thriving in an AI-driven environment requires a robust set of both technical and soft skills. On the technical front, proficiency in programming, especially in languages like Python, is crucial due to its wide use in data analytics and machine learning. Familiarity with AI frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch is also essential, enabling you to effectively build and deploy AI models. Beyond technical expertise, soft skills are equally vital. Critical thinking is necessary for evaluating AI models and understanding their ethical implications, while problem-solving skills help in optimizing AI systems and navigating project challenges creatively. For instance, creativity not only fuels innovation in product development and marketing, like Disney using AI to predict movie success, but also in finding new solutions to engage customers. Emotional intelligence is crucial, particularly in leadership roles, as AI adoption increases. It enhances team management and ensures the smooth integration of AI technologies into business processes. These human-centric skills are what will define your unique value in an AI-enhanced workplace, allowing you to complement AI's capabilities and drive success for your organization. Starting your journey in artificial intelligence begins with developing foundational skills, particularly in programming with an emphasis on Python. Known for its readability and robust libraries, Python is a staple in AI development, used extensively in applications ranging from predictive modeling to real-time data analysis across various industries. For instance, Google utilizes Python to refine its search algorithms, while other sectors use it to automate functions and optimize operations. Equally important to programming are data structures and algorithms, which are crucial for designing efficient AI systems. Proper understanding and implementation of these can significantly enhance the performance of AI applications, such as improving the speed of real-time personalized content delivery on platforms like Netflix. A basic knowledge of statistics is also essential, as it enables you to analyze and interpret the data that AI systems process. This skill is particularly valuable in healthcare, where AI is used to predict patient outcomes based on historical data, ensuring that AI models are both reliable and accurate. Together, these fundamental skills form the cornerstone of effective AI application and innovation, preparing you for advanced topics in AI and empowering you to leverage AI technology across any sector. Advancing your understanding of programming and data analysis to include machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks is essential for tackling complex challenges in today's tech-driven world. Tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch are integral for developing sophisticated models used in various industries, including tech and bioinformatics. For instance, TensorFlow facilitates efficient data processing, useful in applications from image captioning to financial modeling. PyTorch offers flexibility for dynamic projects, making it a favorite in research environments. In bioinformatics, these technologies have revolutionized approaches to gene sequencing and drug discovery. Machine learning models are now used to predict gene functions and interactions, speeding up our understanding of genetic diseases. Similarly, in drug discovery, deep learning helps predict the effectiveness and side effects of drug compounds, reducing the time and costs associated with traditional methods. By mastering these tools, you can open doors to new opportunities in high-demand sectors, staying at the forefront of innovation and contributing significantly to cutting-edge research and development. To make AI work for you, start by identifying how it's transforming your specific sector. For instance, in healthcare, AI is used to predict patient diagnoses from imaging data, a practice that dramatically improves early detection rates. In finance, AI algorithms are utilized to detect fraudulent transactions by analyzing patterns invisible to the human eye. Tailoring your AI skills to address specific challenges in your industry can create significant value and position you as a key innovator. It's invaluable to study real-world AI applications. Take, for example, the use of AI in autonomous vehicles like those developed by Tesla and Waymo, where AI performs complex calculations for safe navigation. Or consider AI's role in customer service environments, such as chatbots used by companies like Amex to handle customer inquiries efficiently. Understanding these applications provides a clear vision of how AI skills are directly applicable and beneficial in various industries. Artificial intelligence is more than just a tool for automation. It's a robust ally in enhancing decision-making across various professional fields. For example, in the marketing world, professionals harness AI-powered tools to deeply understand consumer behavior. By analyzing large volumes of data, AI helps marketers tailor campaigns and dynamically adjust strategies to maximize engagement and return on investment. This kind of precision marketing was instrumental in Spotify's success, where AI analyzes listening habits to personalize music recommendations, turning casual listeners into loyal subscribers. Similarly, AI plays a pivotal role in urban planning. Cities around the world, like Singapore and Barcelona, use AI to analyze traffic data, helping to optimize traffic flows and reduce congestion. These tools simulate different scenarios to predict how changes in infrastructure or traffic rules could impact movement patterns, aiding urban planners in designing cities that are more efficient and less congested. These real-life applications illustrate how AI empowers professionals to make more informed and data-driven decisions, transforming not just businesses but also the environments we live in. By leveraging AI, decision-makers can anticipate needs, predict outcomes, and plan more effectively, ensuring resources are used efficiently and strategies are aligned with data insights. Engaging with the AI community, through hackathons or online forums, can provide practical experience and insight. Projects like IBM's Call for Code, or Google's AI for Social Good, are real-life examples where technologists apply their skills to solve global challenges through AI, offering participants a chance to work collaboratively on meaningful projects while honing their skills. AI is an ever-evolving field. To stay current, subscribe to leading AI research journals, follow AI pioneers on social media, and attend AI conferences. Platforms like NVIDIA's GTC conference, or the Neural Information Processing Systems conference, are fantastic for gaining insights into cutting-edge AI developments, and networking with other AI professionals. Applying your AI skills in freelance projects can be a rewarding way to bring your technical knowledge into real-world applications, and diversify your professional experience. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer are fantastic venues for showcasing and honing your abilities across various industries. For instance, you might take on a project to develop an AI model that predicts stock market trends, helping financial analysts and investors make more informed decisions. Or perhaps you could design an intelligent recommendation system for a retail business, enhancing customer experience by personalizing product suggestions based on their shopping habits and preferences. These freelance gigs not only allow you to apply AI in practical scenarios, but also help you build a portfolio of impactful work. For example, consider a freelancer who developed an AI-driven tool for a small online bookstore to recommend books based on user behavior. This project not only increased sales, but also improved customer satisfaction, showcasing the freelancer's skill in creating valuable AI solutions. Engaging in such projects through freelancing platforms gives you the flexibility to choose assignments that match your interests and expertise, while proving the real-world value of your AI skills to potential employers or clients. Pursuing advanced certifications in AI from recognized institutions or companies, like Google's Professional Machine Learning Engineer, or IBM's Data Science Professional Certificate, can lend credibility to your skills. These certifications not only validate your knowledge, but also signal to employers your commitment to staying at the forefront of AI technologies. If academia interests you, contributing to AI research can be a fulfilling path. Engage with research institutions or universities where groundbreaking work in AI is being conducted. Participating in research not only deepens your understanding, but also contributes to the global body of knowledge, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Thank you for watching this humble effort pretending to be a guide on upskilling for AI. With the right approach, a willingness to learn, and a proactive attitude towards embracing new challenges, you can significantly enhance your AI skills and become a leader in this exciting field. Remember, the journey of learning AI is continuous and ever evolving. Embrace each step with enthusiasm, and don't hesitate to put your new skills into practice. Here's to your success in the dynamic world of artificial intelligence.